This is where a lot of wallets start making life difficult. You open the built-in swap, search for XRP, and nothing happens. Sometimes XRP isn't listed, sometimes it is, but the swap just isn't available. You switch to another network, try again, same thing. The first time I saw that, I kept clicking around thinking I'd missed something. Turns out that's just a limitation of how certain wallets work. MetaMask mainly operates on EVM networks. XRP has its own ledger. Even if your wallet recognizes both, that doesn't automatically mean it can build a direct conversion between them. And from there, it usually snowballs. One extra transfer, then another platform, maybe another wallet, and suddenly a swap that should have taken a couple of minutes turns into a chain of unnecessary steps. I'd rather keep it simple, so stick with me until the end. There are a few small things I'll point out while we're doing this that are worth knowing. Nothing complicated, just the kind of details that can save you from having to repeat the whole process.
I spent some time testing different solutions. I compared how they handled different blockchains, checked where XRP was actually being delivered, looked through user feedback, and after trying several options, this one ended up being the easiest to work with because it removes most of the extra steps. I keep my crypto where it already is, complete the swap, and native XRP shows up in my wallet. I'll leave the official link in the pinned comment below. So first, I'll pick crypto I want to swap. Mine's ETH today, yours might be something completely different. What makes this convenient is that the platform already supports a wide range of networks, so I don't have to make another conversion before getting into XRP. Then I enter the amount, and if you keep scrolling, you'll also see live market quotes. I like having those on the same page. If I want to compare prices or check what's moving, I don't have to jump over to another website. All right, next step, connect wallet. First, I select blockchain and then wallet I use.
There we go, wallet's connected. Now I'll click swap, and before anything goes through, this review window comes up. Never skip this part. Check the asset, amount, and destination wallet. It's a quick habit, but it helps avoid simple mistakes. There it is, XRP just arrived. That was exactly what I wanted. One straightforward swap, no bouncing between different services, no creating another wallet, no extra conversions in the middle. Everything stayed in one workflow from beginning to end. And that's probably the biggest reason I've kept using this platform. Now XRP is sitting in my wallet, so I can use it however I need without doing anything else. So, hope seeing the whole process from start to finish clears things up a bit. Once you understand why direct XRP swaps don't always work inside regular wallets, using a platform like this starts making a lot more sense. If you've got a question, or maybe you're using a different wallet or network, leave a comment below. I'll read through them and help where I can. And before we wrap this up, one last reminder. Whenever you're connecting a wallet, always make sure you're on the correct website. Take another look at the selected network, check receiving address before confirming transaction. Those few seconds are part of the process, and they're well worth it.